Apple users will now be able to stream thousands of movies and series on Disney Plus with friends and family. Apple started rolling out its anticipated SharePlay feature to iPhone users with its iOS 15.1 update and on macOS with the latest Monterey update. SharePlay allows Apple users to sync their playback for supported streaming and FaceTime services so they can watch movies and shows or listen to music together in. Disney already offers a group watch feature of its own, but SharePlay allows users to FaceTime while doing other things on their Apple devices when a video is playing on their screen. If you're watching on your iPad, for example, your video will appear as a picture-in-picture tile while you navigate across other apps on your device. Disney announced today that the feature is supported across its catalog, including for upcoming titles like The Book of Boba Fett and Encanto. For a step-by-step guide on using SharePlay, The Verge has you covered. As is the case with a group watch, SharePlay will not be supported on kids' profiles on Disney+. To stream Disney Plus content using Apple's SharePlay feature, make sure your Apple devices are updated to iOS 15.1, tvOS 15.1, or iPadOS 15.1 or later. Sadly, SharePlay isn't a workaround for free streaming, so you'll need to have an active Disney Plus subscription to use the feature as well.